Cake discs are not easily available and bakeries don't sell it. It gives your cupcakes a professional look. It's a DIY and very easy to follow with only two things required. Let's just follow the steps. Take cardboard and cut it as per your cake mold or desired shape. Cut aluminium foil bigger than the cardboard. Wrap it around the cardboard carefully and neatly. Use tape to stick it to the cardboard as normal glue won't work that way and it will take more time to bind. You can use it to place and present your cakes and cupcakes. And it's done. So easy and crafty. No more hassle of searching markets when you can make it yourself, that too within 2 minutes only. It is easy to carry and makes a good turntable for cake decor. Lastly, for more such videos, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.